This video demonstrates how to use the AmpCon-DC Management Platform to centrally plan and manage VXLAN Network Identifiers. First, log into the AmpCon-DC Management Platform. From the top menu, navigate to Resource Pools, VNI Pools. Click plus VNI Pool to create a new VNI pool. Enter a name and select the fabric to associate with it. In the range section, add one or more VNI ranges, for example 2000 to 3000. If additional ranges are needed, click plus to add more, such as 4000 to 5000. Once completed, click Apply to save the configuration. You can edit an existing VNI pool at any time to expand its ranges as your network grows. Click plus in the range section to add a new range, such as 6000 to 7000. To remove a range, click minus. After editing, click Apply to save the changes. Return to the list page to see that the ranges have been updated. Click the plus icon on the right side of the entry to view the VNI pool details. To delete a pool, click Delete, then select Yes in the confirmation window. After the page refreshes, the VNI pool will be removed successfully. Visit fs.com for more information about AmpCon-DC and Data Center PIC OS switches.